All right, we're going to do another example of the create layer mask. So what I've done is I've taken photos of a few different objects around the classroom. So there's a kettle. Here is a just a box, and there's a bottle of spray. Here's a glue. Here's a phone. I'm not sure if we'll use that. Here's a table. And so what I want to do is collect all those objects into one picture. So as always, what we're going to do is bring it into Photoshop first. And so let's bring the table in first. Okay, we're going to drag some of the other ones in. We're going to take this one and this one. Oops, I have to click off of that layer first. Oh, I imported that one twice. Let me just delete that. I guess there's just the phone left. I'm not sure if we're going to use that or not. Okay, so it's the same kind of procedure as last time. So I'm going to turn everything off, and I'll just turn on the ones that I want to use. So first, I want to use the box. So I'll turn on the box, and then it's just a matter of selecting and then masking. So let's see. I'll use the. All right, I've got it selected, and then we'll just hit the mask, which is add layer mask, which is the white rectangle with a circle inside down here. Okay, so now I've just got that box. And now if we turn on the background, we can see the box and the background. And it's a little big, so I'm just gonna scale it so that it looks a little more normal. So to scale it, I'm gonna make sure I have that layer selected. And then I'm going to go to transform. And there we go. And we can put that there. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off those layers, and we'll go to the next layer, which is the bottle. And again, we'll select. All right, so I've got that selected. So again, we'll just go, gotta make sure that I'm on the right layer. So just if you look over at my layers, I had this layer selected. Oh, I forgot to name the layers. I better do that. In fact, let's do that right now. This is box. This is spray. This is glue. And this is phone. Okay, so I had this layer selected, box layer. If I had masked that, then it would have been very bad. And so I'm just gonna select spray, and we can hit the mask, which again is the white rectangle with the circle inside. And so we get that spray bottle. And again, we'll turn on our background, and we can see our spray bottle here. And so again, I think we should scale that. It's a little too big. So we'll go to transform, scale, and we can just shrink that to a more normal size. Okay, and so that's the right size. I have my box there. I just want to move my box over here. Okay. And you can see how we're going to go about kind of doing this, right? Do the same thing for the glue. Mask that off. Okay, and so now we have a giant glue. And so we just shrink that down. put it on our table. It's a little tilted, so we can just rotate it a little. And yeah, that's how we kind of do it. And of course we can do things like, change the color. So, I want this box to be a different color. We can select it. And we'll do a color change. Yellow, sure. And of course you know how to do this very well at this point. And we'll just change the blend mode. Now we have our boxes yellow. So that's about it for this video. And we'll see you in the next one.